Yo, what's up? Welcome to day 5. Day 5, right?
Yep.
Day 5 of our Japan trip. And we are up early today because it's not very early, but early to get to the train station. We will be taking the bullet train to Osaka. We have a few things planned for. I think it's going to be really fun, but right now we will need to bring all our luggage down to the train station, which is not very fun. We made it. This is the subway lines. It's really confusing. We just arrived at our second Airbnb place that we're staying in Japan. We got on the wrong train, so we went around in a huge circle and basically just wasted an hour or so. It's about 3 right now. Is it about 3 or 2?
3:30.
Oh my goodness, it's 3:30. Wait, where are we going next? I think we're just going to...
Castle.
Oh, okay. We'll just head to Osaka Castle and then get something to eat. I'm not sure if we will get something to eat first or what, but we are going to head there, and then after that we are going to go to Umeda. That's the plan for today. Okay, I'm going to do a really quick tour of this place. It's really basic as well. Well, for the price we paid, it's pretty worth it. This is the door where you enter. And here we have a tiny kitchen area and a tiny stove. This is the bathroom. We have a... Whoa, focus? Okay. We have a tub with shampoo and conditioner, body wash, sink, toilet. We don't have heated toilets in this place though. This is the bed. Apparently we shouldn't touch this because I have no idea what this means, but okay. And we have a tiny TV. I feel like we won't be here half of the time, so we don't really mind that much, but we're going to head out. And oh, we have pocket Wi-Fi as well, so that will be really helpful. It's way too cold here. Oh my goodness. So we finally got here at the Osaka Castle Park area. What's the purpose of this tower? I don't know. We have some fountains here. So cold! It's so cold. The Great Castle Walls. And is that the main building?
Yeah.
So we'll need to go this way or that way. Oh, main tower this way. Caw, caw. Not a fan of gravel roads. Coolest building ever, but I'm freezing right now. We are at the Umeda Sky Park. Come on. We're at 140 floors above. Glowing floors. It's so good. Look at this. Let's go one round real quick. And we are at the top deck. It's really cold. It's freezing. Just going to do this real quick. Nice. You want to go one round or you want to go back? Because it's freaking freezing. It's called flying cats. All the pictures of flying cats. Look, there's a diary. Hi, Mr. Fish. Some random aquariums here. It's pretty cool. This fish is so big. So we finally got back to our Airbnb place and all the restaurants are closed. There's a few bars open, but we don't want to get bar food. So we decided to go to the supermarket and get some ramen again. But no complaints there because their instant ramen is really, really delicious. It was really, really cold just now. And according to my phone, it's 7 degrees. Freezing, absolutely freezing. It was so cold that we went to get some hot tea from the vending machine just to hold on to some heat. Today I'm going to be having this ramen. We added 2 eggs. Anyways, I'm going to go eat now, but tomorrow we will be heading down to Universal Studios. I'm really excited for it. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, but for now I am going to end the vlog right here. Bye!